best online dating app, Bumpy. So if you want to know about Bumpy, the international dating app, then what you need to do is, like, if you're using your Android, you can open up your Play Store, or if you're using your iOS, you can go with your App Store. It's available in both the stores. You can go with search, and under search, you need to search for Bumpy. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. So this is free to install. You can just simply go with the install option and it will be installed. As you can see that it just only takes 47 MB to download, and it has 5 million plus downloads, and it's only for 18 plus people. And if you go with the screenshots right here, then you can find your international soulmate, as it's international dating app, and you can meet real people all around the world. You can make global video calls, and you can chat with anyone in any language, and you can find your international soulmate, right? So if you scroll down again, then here you will have your reviews. So as we can see that the reviews are pretty good. It also has a 4.3 rating. And if you want more detailed information about the application, you can just simply go with about this app, which is on the right side. You will have the arrow, tap on it, and here you will have all of the information about the app. You can also scroll down and just have some details. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.